Hello guys, today we review one of our most popular products, StarLine M66. This is CAN bus smart tracker with immobilizer and free for life tracking. We unpack brand new package. To see what's inside. So what we've got inside? Inside we've got diagram, connection diagram. Main unit with USB connection, micro USB. Wire loom, it's only 6 wires, one pair of CAN, positive, negative, engine block and ignition wire. Ignition wire also, if we can read ignition via CAN, ignition wire can be used for something else. We've got user card. With login and password for free tracking and emergency deactivation code under scratch and PIN code for programming. And we've got fuse to protect the unit. Okay, next step what we'll do, we download car specific CAN software which can be found on our free website can.starline.eu. Let it be Ford Transit Custom 1720. That's where we get latest software. Download and open with StarLine Master. Again, system will ask for 4-digit PIN code. Okay, as you can see, that was quick. We have latest software. We have CAN library for Ford Transit Custom 2017-20. Now we can adjust our settings. Okay, next step, we insert SIM card inside the unit. We open it. Insert SIM card and connect to micro USB. And 12-volt power supply. Power supply we need to operate modem. It needs much more power than 5-volt. Okay, we connected 12-volt. As you can see, ignition is on. We have excellent battery voltage. SIM card is in. Excellent GSM coverage. Fuel level, like other CAN related information we can get when once CAN wire is connected. Also we connected to server, and also I would like to show you 3 sensors which we have built in M66: tilt, shock and motion. You can see once I start touching, pumping and moving, you can see all 3 sensors: shock, motion and tilt. Now we will add device to StarLine online platform for free for life monitoring. We just follow simple procedure: add device, start connecting. This is GSM module. Continue. Device name, let's put it M66. And we have to send to device text message with 00581. 00581. Once we received confirmation, we enter on our free platform StarLine Online 35518 685. Continue. As you can see, device is successfully added to my existing account, and you will see it in a minute just here. M66 test. Thank you.